Just want to make a couple comments about the information that you can read inside of a typical AC disconnect. I wanted to go over some of it, show you what it's like. The thing I wanted to point out is the wiring diagram here, and that corresponds to the terminals and so on that we have on the other side. We're going to see that when it's all wired up. What's interesting is it tells you right here, L1 and L2 are on the top, T1 and T2 are on the bottom. L1 and L2 are the two hot wires that make the 240 volts coming from the utility. T1 and T2 are the terminals. That's just going off to whatever load it is. So the point is that they want the wires coming from the utility to be on the top. The wires going to the load to be on the bottom. You say, well, it's a disconnect switch. If I open the switch, it's broken. What's the point? It doesn't matter which is on top and which is on bottom. The point is that the wires on top are the line. The wires on the bottom are the load. The point is that when you flip a switch open, the ones going out to the load are dead. That's okay, you can touch those. But the ones coming in from the line side stay hot. So even though you've opened up the switch, there are still wires coming in that are dangerously hot. And you gotta know where those are, and they're always on the line side. So in this case, they're always on the top. So that's the point. The manufacturer tells it to you, and I don't want to see anybody putting the utility wires on the bottom and the inverter wires on the top. The whole idea is that the utility wires are going to go on top, the inverter wires are going to go on the bottom.
Hey, thanks for watching the training video using Interplay's simulation-based training program. You can keep watching our solar videos by clicking on the link to your left, or stay up to date on our latest solar snacks by subscribing on your right. To learn more about how the STP provides critical team training and helps you build an onboarding program at your company, please go to interplaylearning.com.